Okay, it's getting dark, so I want to try to get this done soon. No! This one right here is so heavy. I drilled the lock out because I thought it was full and it's not. I didn't check the very bottom drawer, but I'm assuming the whole thing is empty. I'm assuming. Come on, don't fall. Good job, good job. Good job. It's been a long day and I'm ready to get this over with. To be honest. Can't stop. Gotta get it done. You gotta get it done. My tool storage is a mess. Tool storage is a mess. I didn't do the non-ferrous at the scrapyard. I think I said that. I left all, there's brass too, nice couple chunks. There's some plumber's brass. Oh, this did come off, finally. Where's it at? There it is. I couldn't get this off earlier. Beautiful. That's kind of heavy brass. This feels like something's in the bottom drawer. Feels like something in the bottom drawer. Need to put a strap on this to hold it. I still got a grill to get, a bike, a table I gotta take the glass out of, and a door to take the glass out. It's been a pretty long day. We're ready to go home. I didn't take that door because the door has wood on the inside. The storm door, it wasn't the hollow con that are aluminum. It was the con with the real flimsy piece of aluminum that goes, outlines it, and it's like particle board. Threw this bike up in here. Just a little bit of tomato cages or whatever, a grill lid. Took the table legs off, and here is the ladder. The ladder's aluminum. I'm gonna cut that up. Got a couple chunks of aluminum. Nice little bit of brass. You see my brass? You see my brass? Do you see my brass? And this old grill, and then that's it. That is it. And we're going home because it is dusk. Beautiful day. We worked super hard here today. It's the top floor, the whole middle floor, and the whole downstairs basement was full of crap. There was a 40-yard dumpster out front that's full to the roof. Okay, it's time to go, everybody. Okay, so after I got done all that, I went to the house where I said they stopped answering me because I felt bad, and it was only like 7 minutes from where I worked all day. It's been 3 days since I came here, and they told me And literally when I pulled in their alley, I was gonna ride by and knock on their door or just see if the metal was still out there. They texted me and said they were teaching somebody, their phone was off. They're like, yeah, the metal's still here. Come get it, it's out front, out back, da-da-da-da. Luckily I came over here, hard work. It's getting dark, but I'm coming to get it. I need it, all of it. Yeah, I see stuff laying in their backyard. I'm pulling up right now, there's like a grill, some other stuff, like a shelf, I think. All right, I'm gonna get it real quick and then I gotta go home, I'm exhausted. Okay, so it is pitch black out here. I didn't record it because I had to go in the basement and get all these flimsy giant shelves, lockers, old lockers and stuff out of the guy's basement. That dude's really cool. I gotta go home, it's late. Real quick, I guess you can't even see too good, but the truck's full, man. There's all kinds of stuff in here. It's time to go home, scrapper. Live to fight another day. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it's the next day. It's kind of late, it's pouring down raining. I'm trying to put these 2 refrigerators on here. And then strap them down and go to the scrap yard. Yeah, I need to get a strap on these very fast. And then we're taking last night's load and we're heading down there. It's still got them lockers and stuff on them. Gotta get the strap on here quick, quick, quick. Before they start falling and sliding in the rain. It's raining all day today. Not looking forward to the rain. Not looking forward to the rain. Okay, we got that. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Work with me now, strap. Yeah, you want to get a strap on these quick before they start falling. Sorry, I repeat myself often. Okay, that's on now. Hope you guys can see to an extent that my truck is extremely full. These are just extra weight, really. I got them lockers on there. I'm not driving fast. Still got a tub and a stove, small stove in there. I'm gonna go get this and then I got a job to do today. I got 2 jobs to do today in the rain. Every time I say I'm taking off, I work harder than I thought I was going to. Or do more than I expected to anyways. Down the scrap yard, I'm going to dump all this right now. And then I'm driving far as crap, like 38 or 36 minutes to do a junk removal. Working, working, working. Record this. Smile for the camera in the rain. Some of this is non-ferrous. Hustling, hustling. Okay, I dumped all of that, and the weight was 1,120 pounds. At around 7 or 7.5, 7.5 cents, it should be about 80, something like that. Let's go get paid. Empty your bag. Come over here, give them your paper, get paid, and you drop 36 minutes to Owens Mills. For that reveal, we had 1,120 pounds at 7.5 cents each, came to $84. Sorry, I'm trying to drive and show this at the same time, which isn't the best idea in the world. We have $84 for 1,120 pounds. Now I am going to do a junk removal job. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate everybody as usual. Everything must go. We're on our way to get some more right now. On to the next one. Thank you. Good afternoon, scrappers. It is the following day. Yesterday I ended up going to do a gigantic junk removal job after the video I just did with the scrap metal. And I got a hot water heater and 2 treadmills out of it, and the frame from a whole bunch of chairs and some other miscellaneous stuff. And this morning I went out and picked up a washer and dryer. I didn't record it. They're on the back of my tailgate. I'm going to the scrap yard right now, basically to get rid of all my non-ferrous, because I had so much. There's a full trash bag of wire in my front seat. I got a bucket of brass and a whole nother bucket of wire in here. And basically I didn't have room because of the junk removal. So I went to the dump. Now I'm going to offload everything. It's going to take me a minute to separate some stuff. I'm going to try to get some footage when I get down there, some photos or whatever. Hang in there. I gotta remember to turn the radio off when I come and record, because you can't put it on YouTube. It'll copyright you or whatever. There's a claw machine. Light iron, light iron, light iron, light iron. I'm gonna get some footage when I'm done. I didn't record it, I just threw this, and that tub off. I was supposed to. Got 2 treadmills and this hot water heater. A little bit of other stuff, but I wanted to get it all on film. Some light fixtures and stuff like that. There's an aluminum rim down here also. Can't scrap glass. This. And there's wires running all in there, but I don't have time to mess with it right now. 2 2 treadmills. There's another one right there. Treadmills are so bulky and take up so much space. Don't want to scrap the dolly. Shelves. Cutting all these wires. They don't take TVs here. I got 2 TVs. I'm gonna save. This is all tangled in here. Try to fight this out of here. This magnifying glass looks cool. I'm gonna save this. I don't know what that's worth or whatever. Some wire, poles, another chair, lamp. That TV's heavy too. More shelving. Aluminum. Okay, I'm gonna throw this out and then go get some footage. It was just over a half a ton, and now we're gonna do the non-ferrous. I got a lot of wire and stuff to get rid of. Decent amount of brass. Let's see. Go get weighed up. Yeah. Used to have one a long time ago.
There was a guy that used to be scrap wear, and he reminded me.
I just did the non-ferrous, going to get paid. 126 pounds total. The rim's 30 pounds. We shall see. Should looking at about 100, roughly. Rough. We're gonna go see right now. Okay. So, the 1,020 pounds of steel at 7.5 cents each came to $77. And then the mixed brass was the middle column. 23 pounds of it at $1.70 a piece was $39.10. The aluminum rims was $22.50 just for the one rim. That was $86 for a total of $163, I believe. Yes, sir, and a bunch of flies. So that's not bad. All that non-ferrous definitely equaled up, but you know what we're looking for? We're looking for money. Money. Sims Metal. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna clean this up and look it up. Stick around, I'm going to get more all winter. I don't care. Motivation, determination, dedication, success, all that. N Grind LLC.